Hi everyone, this is Savi again. So I have mentioned multiple time in my videos that I work from my unfinished basement studio. Sort of, I call it studio, but it was basically storage area where I, carved little bit area for me to, work around. So today I've been working the whole day. I thought since I spend a lot of time there, I'll be making a lot of videos from there. So why not, organize it, make it a little more. Spacious and do some stuff. My dog is barking and my kids are upstairs playing, so let me make sure uh, my dog doesn't come running or the kids anyway. So yeah, since I was saying I do a lot of work from here, so I've been thinking about rearranging things, making some changes and making it more spacious, since I know I'm here for a long haul and I will be working from this space, maybe from here forever. So because I know I can't afford a studio right now for sure, anyways, but I love working from here. So I do that, and then so I wanted, as I was saying, I worked the whole day today organizing and arranging. I'm super excited, it looks much better. And since I make a lot of video and I keep telling you from my basement studio, so I thought I'll give you a tour of how it looks now. So let's do the another reveal. So before we do that, I just wanted to just say I mostly utilize whatever I had. So I didn't I'm on a budget, so I didn't want it to, possibly if I don't have to just spend too much money and just utilize whatever I have. Sorry, they are just playing or doing some kind of play, and then they're screaming. So this is, let me turn my camera. So this is one of the wall which I display my artwork, and as you can see, this is unfinished. So I will be working on this wall eventually, I will make a bookshelf. Yeah, I do a lot of home improvement project myself. I love doing that, and maybe covering that side with nice wooden planks. So let's see how that goes. So but right now I use this to display my wall art. So yeah, so anyway, so this is where my studio is, and the rest of the basement is also unfinished, but we utilize it. We have some carpets and everything. So we've been thinking about, I thought having the curtain here, because it was mostly a storage area. When you walk in, you don't like looking at the storage stuff. It is mostly clutter and everything. So a couple of weeks ago I put those curtain rod. I got the rods from IKEA. I got some hardware from Lowe's, whatever I could, to hang it up there on the beams, those hardware up there. Let me see if I can zoom in. Yep, that one. And then I bought the curtain from a Walmart. These are the cheapest one I could get. These were like 6 or 7 per piece, since I needed at least 8 or 9 pieces, and I didn't want it to go over budget. So it's very nice brick red shade, and it goes all the way from here and turns around, looping that way. So I did all of this installation a couple of weeks ago. So now today I finished working on rest of the space, and let me do the reveal. Ready? So this is how it looks like. I have storage in the back over there, so I blocked it completely so that there is no access from here. Only way to come is from this way, because there is a clear place to work. I don't want anybody to come from there, because I do have 2 small kids and I don't want them to get hurt, as we have these kind of pipes over there too. So did that, so there is a clear space to come here. So if you are standing talking, so at least you have that much space to just to enter and not get hurt. So did that. So I had these storage shelves. These are, I think, 7 feet. We bought them initially when we moved into this house, and then I used it to stack against that wall and used that as storage. And then initially we did that, and it was like a whole storage over from there to there. Then when I needed some space, so I decluttered, remove everything which don't need, and then I used 2 shelves here for I divided them into 2 sections, so they are flexible, so you can make 2 or just stack them. So that way I have a long counter going together. So there I will be doing my jewelry stuff, and rest is the painting and craft area. And my daughter, I have two kids. My daughter loves to paint, so she loves it. So I gave her this area. She can come and of course do some art and craft, and then that way I have a student here anyway. So this is how it looks like. I added some curtains over here. I had these spare curtains from IKEA. They were on sale and I thought I'll buy them to put it in the other part of the house, but they were too long and I never end up putting them up where I intended initially. But now I utilize them. They were like in sale for $8, so they look nice right now. So now what I did, now I have this area which is a workspace, and this is good. I'm guessing this is 4 feet, so 8 feet this way, 8 feet this way, of I think a 6 inches overlapping over there, and then there is couple more feet over there where I got this ring light which I added. This came today. I didn't had it before, that's why the video quality was not good, and light is always an issue because I only had this light over there. I also added that another lamp over there so that I have enough lighting in my workspace. Because of the light issue, I was confined on this side. Anyways, I was working with those makeshift lamp which I'll be moving now. I don't need it. So yeah, that is one thing. So now I have that section which is, I think it's just 3 feet or 4 feet, 4 feet the width of that shelving. So that's a storage for, I have tools. As I say, I do a lot of home improvement projects myself, so I have those tools over there. And then this area where my art and craft supply, my jewelry supply, everything is there. And the coolest thing which I added today is this wall over there. How cool that is. So I didn't have the wall, I had those studs over there all through this, and this was see-through, you can see on the other side. So I got these planks. These are wall planks, not very thick, maybe I don't know, quarter, not quarter, maybe quarter. So I had these wall planks from Lowe's. I bought them I bought 2 packets maybe 3 months ago or something. They were sitting there. I initially got it to put it on the other side to make an accent wall, but then I didn't got around to do it. So today I added those so that I have a nice display wall for my art section. And since I'll be making video facing camera on that side, it will be the backdrop, and I'll be keep changing and rotating it. So isn't that cool? I have this table which is a folding plastic table which I had, so I added that as a base. Since these are panels, so I needed something there, and these planks don't go all the way down here, so this is still open, so I thought this is a good way to cover it. So it looks great now with extra lighting and accent wall, Landy counter, which is extra long counter, 8 feet that way, 8 feet or 7.5 feet that way. So I mean it's quite spacious. This is good 10 feet, 10, 12 feet, and then extra storage. Can't be better than this. So let me know how you like my home studio. I'll be doing some more improvement over time. I think I'm tired enough for today for doing so much work. So let me know how do you like it, and also if you like the content, and I'll be doing a lot of video. I'm just starting out, so please subscribe below so that you and hit the bell icon too, so that you know when I upload my new video. And I'll be talking a lot about the art pieces I make and anything new I'm working on. See you later. Don't forget to subscribe.